Hello, I'm Des. I'm a registered nurse and I am a licensed teacher. Currently, I'm a teacher teaching grade 3. And my experiences with Clinica Manila, Ngiti Clinica Manila with Dr. Lim is, I can say, I have a nice experience with her when it comes to my dental issues. Since 1995 1995 as far as I can remember, it's my first consultation with Dr. Lim, and I'm happy and nasagot niya lahat ng dental issues ko when it comes to my veneer lamination. Marami na akong na-consult na ibang dentist, hindi ko makuha ko na yung gusto ko. Kay Dr. Lim lang pala, and very satisfied ako sa gawa niya. Imagine, since 1995, yung dental lamination ko never nasira. Although nag-ingat din ako, pero iba talaga yung gawa ni Dr. Lim. It's very quality talaga. Even siguro the materials, kasi talagang di siya nasira. After 20 years, saka lang natanggal. And then during that time, I cannot find Dr. Lim after the pandemic. So nag-consult ako sa ibang dentist. And I would say, pricey, but I had a bad experience. Hindi nila kayang gawin yung ginagawa ni Dr. Lim sa Clinica Manila. I'm so satisfied, I'm so happy. Very professional, and look, here, ganda ng ngipin. Kagagawa lang. So, I hope and maging successful pa ang Ngiti Clinica Manila to go on, and nang marami siyang matulungan and ma-inspire, because the work is really good, it's really quality, and very satisfied client here. Thank you!